Hello everyone. Happy August 24th. Today we celebrate fearless expression, warm smiles and breezy summer traditions. Let's explore 3 inspiring events. These celebrations make great moments to give someone, even without a special reason. But if you missed out, don't worry, more exciting events are coming this month. Stay tuned until the end of the video for all the details. First up, it's National Waffle Day. A toasty tribute to grid-patterned deliciousness. A perfect gift could be a mini waffle maker, a gourmet topping set, or a breakfast-in-bed basket. Sweet or savory, what's your style? Drop your favorite combo below. Next, it's Can Opener Day. A quirky celebration of a simple kitchen essential. A thoughtful gift could be a sleek can opener, a cookbook of pantry recipes, or an organizing set for your kitchen tools. Love kitchen hacks? Share yours with us. Before our last event, enjoying these celebrations? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss more amazing content. And hey, share this video with friends. They'll thank you later. And finally, it's International Strange Music Day. A chance to explore curious sounds and experimental styles. A great gift could be a quirky playlist, a vinyl of unusual tracks, or a synthesizer app. What's your strangest favorite song? Tell us about it. Don't forget to check out the video description. You can find links to purchase matching gift products for these events. And be sure to watch our daily videos, including one covering upcoming celebrations for September 26th to 30th, so you'll get gift ideas early. Thanks for watching everyone, more celebrations are coming tomorrow, stay awesome!